If you tap play but Roblox gets stuck on the loading screen or fails to join a server, watch the full video. First, check your internet connection. Try opening YouTube or another app to make sure your internet is working properly. A weak connection can prevent Roblox from joining games. Next, open the Play Store and search for Roblox. If an update is available, install it. Running an outdated version of Roblox can cause connection problems. After that, long press the Roblox app and tap App Info. Go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, tap Clear Storage as well. Keep in mind that clearing storage will log you out of your account, so you'll need to sign in again. You should also make sure your device has enough free storage space. Low storage can sometimes cause Roblox to crash or fail to load games. Finally, restart your phone and try joining the game again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox fixes and tutorials.